Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to set up Do Not Disturb and bedtime. At first you need to open the settings. Let's start with the Do Not Disturb. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down to the sound and vibration. Tap it and tap Do Not Disturb. Tap Turn on now or Turn off now to manage, the new Bangor sibling this option. Here we've got Who Can Interrupt, Do Not Disturb. You can tap People, Messages and Calls. So when you tap Messages, you can check Start Contacts, Fini and Dua, Contacts like all contacts, Priority Conversations or anyone or none. So let me for example tap only Start Contacts. Calls, the same. So, apart from this thing, we've got apps, and we can add applications that can override the disturb, like, for example, maybe Chrome. All notifications, browser, downloads, etc. Alarms and other interruptions. Alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. And we can schedule our Do Not Disturb, like for sleeping. I can disable it, for example, for now. Duration for quick settings until you turn off for 4 hours or ask every time. And we can increase this value using plus and minus. Here I've got display options, fold filter notifications. No sound from notifications, no visuals or sound from notifications, or custom. And here we've got custom options like when the screen is off, don't turn on screen, don't wait for notifications. When the screen is on, hide notification dots on app icons, hide status bar icons at the top of the screen, don't pop notifications on screen, hide from pull down shade. So that's how to set up Do Not Disturb. Now let's go to the bedtime. You need to scroll down to the well-being, digital well-being and parental controls, and here bedtime mode. Tap it. Here you can enable disable DND for bedtime mode. If you tap it, you can start contacts that can interrupt you. Then tap next and set time for the bedtime mode. Days, like for example Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we can manage these days. Here we've got our hours, maybe 6 a.m. from 11 p.m. and now use schedule. Here we've got and turn on while charging. Turns on while charging after 11 p.m. Tap done, and here we've got all access to your app usage and sensor data. You need to hear all these things and tap allow. And now we've got it done. Goodbye.